Good morning, everybody. Today's the day that the Prelude is getting brought to its rust appointment in Milford. So I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm on a time crunch here. You probably can't even see me because of the sun. So we're gonna get in and we're gonna get driving. All right, we're here. Prelude back there. The goal is he's gonna have it done in about a day. You guys can barely hear me because of the traffic, but let's go down here, hand off some keys. What's going on, guys? I'm here with Welding Services by Jay.
How you guys doing?
He got me right.
How we do?
He got me right.
Yeah, we're here.
Let's take a look at this car.
The undercarriage right on the rockers, some fender work. You know, he's gonna get a reshop, but we'll put some before and after photos up. There was a hole here from a dent they popped out. This lower pinch point here on the rocker. Now he'll have the ability to put his trim back on and shoot this with a fresh coat of paint afterwards. But yeah, we're coming along with this, got it all structurally sound. So,
And you guys saw how it was before, so you know he does good work. So if you're in the New Milford area, matter of fact, if you're in the northern Massachusetts, lower New Hampshire area, you know where to bring your car because he does great work, great prices as well.
appreciate that, thank you. Yeah, look us up on Google, Welding Services by J LLC, or weldingservicesbyj.com.
Yes, sir. Support local businesses. Hey, y'all, so we're back. I'm finally back at the house with the Prelude after its rust appointment. In these clips, you can see we're laying down Bondo, just filling up the last pieces of the, make it nice and flush on the quarter panel. I've already sanded whatever's left of the color and the flaking clear coat with 800 and 2000. Everything feels nice and smooth. I don't know if I'm going to be able to lay color today, but I'm at least going to get everything masked up. That's the goal. Which means I need to get this together before the rain comes, because it looks like it's about to come down.
If you really are my bro, then won't you?
All right, so we got the car body fillered and masked off, and now I think it's time that we shoot some paint. Now, be advised, I'm not looking for perfection here. I'm not looking for showroom quality. I'm looking for presentable. With that being said, here we are. Masked off. Don't ask about, mind your business on those tissues over there. The important thing is it's masked off. We're gonna hit it with the first coat. First coat of primer is on. I think we only need the one coat. So once that dries, I'm gonna spray some spray adhesive. No, before I do spray adhesive, I'm just gonna run it over with the highest grade sandpaper I have left over, which is probably 2000 or 1000. Then we're gonna spray some adhesive so this paint will stick, and we'll get into the first coat of paint. All right, I ain't gonna lie to you, I got a little ahead of myself. I got a little excited. I sprayed paint. I did, and honestly, can't complain. It's looking good. Needs clear. Very badly, very desperately. This door, I'm not worried about. I got a replacement. But right now, we focus on this. Got me some 2K clear from Eastwood. Gonna lay down paint. All right, y'all, so four coats of clear later. This is the finish. Pretty close to what's already on there. Not looking to get over extra shiny. looking pretty good. Don't worry about the door. But I think I'm gonna be a doofus and try and take some of this wrap off and see what's going on. Hey guys, it's the next day here, and we gotta finish up putting on the side skirt for the Prelude, and then once that's done, I can give you guys a final look at what the side of the car looks like. The car needs a wash, so it's not gonna look great until it gets washed again, but we're almost at the finish line, and that's what's important. So I tried putting the skirt on already, and it hits where the welder put the new jack point for the car, because the car has a jack point on all four corners. So I have to adjust. I have to put a little indent in where the hits, cut that portion, and then the skirt will fit on the car. So let me get my bearings here and figure it out. I'll catch you guys up when I drum them. So I think I have an idea about where it's bumping into, so I'm gonna cut out a slightly bigger area than usual. But on the bright side, it's on the inner side that I didn't put too much paint on, so it won't bother anything. All right, so side skirt is finally on. I would say the car is about 85% complete at this point, given little odds and ends that need to be done. But let me show you guys this quarter panel. The gloss on that is insane. Now I know what you're thinking. The rest of the car is dirty, so you don't even see a perfect match. But you can vaguely see it. And compared to the side skirt, which is clean, yeah, spot on. So it's a lot better than it used to be, and still got a ways to go. But I'm gonna call it here. Leave a like, leave a comment down below. I still need to do what one of you subscribed for about how much I'm all into this build. I'll get to it. I haven't forgotten, I promise you. And yeah, I think that'll be all. Catch you guys in the next one. Hold on, let me throw this in the trash. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. What's going on, y'all? Thank you guys for watching this episode in season 2 of the vlogs. Before you get gone, we got new merch on our Amazon shop. We have hoodies, we got t-shirts, we got everything you can think of on there. Go and take a look at it. Links down below. We also dropping music constantly. And when you see it, it's also going to be on the channel. You can also see it on Spotify, Apple Music, everywhere you think of. Anything with DSPs, bruh. And thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Drop the Addy, I send you the keys, got me as a screen in your phone. I don't got time for the back and forth look, girl, I got money to make. By the time I'm finished here, they gon' mortalize me in my city like Tay. Call me when you